Hi there. Late last year, the American Bar Association completed a study, an important study that I wish more journalists would pay attention to. They concluded that the vast majority of cases in our country, state and federal, are resolved through plea bargains. And there are actually some jurisdictions where they haven't had trials in years. And here in Miami-Dade County, where I have focused my attention for personal reasons, because 23 years ago this August, my son was convicted and sentenced to life after being offered a 5-year plea deal in a he said, she said case in South Beach, Florida. He invited a woman to his hotel room. This is actually quite important, the whole issue of plea deals. What the American Bar Association is showing us and alerting all of us to is the fact that if you find yourself in a situation where you're in the crosshairs of the criminal justice system, you're going to be pressured. They use pressure, even coerced, to take plea deals. And chances are that your defense attorney is going to encourage you to do that because the risk that you're facing by going to trial is enormous, as happened to my son. But this shouldn't be this way. And I think that we need a lot of transparency to hold prosecutors accountable. Prosecutors actually have a lot more power than even judges do. I mean, they decide what they're going to charge you with. And then they put the charges together and they're presented in a way and they package it. And it's a lot easier than you think to convince a jury that you're guilty when you're not guilty. The plea deal system does not work to protect innocent people. It protects the guilty, because the guilty people, they know they better take a plea because what they did really deserves a higher sentence. But for the rest of us who have never been involved with the criminal justice system, we don't have a clue. But we do need journalists to write stories. These are universal stories. These are important stories to warn the rest of us about the realities of how the criminal justice system works. My name is Evelyn Castillo-Bach, Executive Director of Balanced Justice Network.